Bulgarian split squats on steroids. So ngayon, pa-share ko sa inyo yung video guys ng Bulgarian split squats. Minodify natin siya to further go deeper into the range of motion. And we're adding a little bit of twist to stretch that glutes. So if you want to build your glutes and you want to have strong legs, watch this video and try this workout. So the setup is you start from the bottom, add the platform sa front leg natin para yung range of motion mas deeper siya. So as you can see in the video, nagtitwist ako going down para mas may stretch pa dun sa glutes natin. So if you want to build stronger, more visible glutes and stronger legs, try this workout. Lagay nyo siya sa program nyo and comment also kung na-enjoy nyo itong workout na to.